This video will go over how to replace a hydrostatic transmission. First, with the engine off and spark plug disconnected, remove the belt covers. For the rear belt cover, loosen the 3 bolts shown here and remove the cover. For the front belt cover, loosen the bolt on the bottom as well as the 2 bolts on the top and remove the cover. Then, remove the cutting blade belt as well as the hydrostatic drive belt. Remove the 2 bolts on the sidearm, then the 3 bolts on the cutting blade, and move the sidearm to gain more access to the side of the machine. Remove the large drive pulley. Remove the pulley shown here by removing the set screw and pulling outward, then removing the key. Next, move the hose clamp, then take off the hydraulic hose from the transmission and drain the reservoir into a container. Remove the lock nut here and remove the neutral plate. Next, remove the nut shown here and take the rod off the bolt. Remove the 4 bolts shown here. When removing the last bolt, support the transmission and pull it out of the machine. To install the transmission, go in reverse order of removal. Standard remove and replace time is approximately 30 minutes.